Hi children, welcome to VIN Sushmita here. Today we are going to learn part 7 गिनती 1 से 20 तक. See, in this chapter we are going to learn गिनती from 1 to 20. Okay, see here 1. In Hindi the number 1 we will write like this, एक. For 1 in Hindi we'll say एक. 1 एक. The numeracy form, number form of Hindi is like this. Okay, एक. 2, the numeracy form of 2 is like this. Okay, in Hindi we'll say this दो. Next, number 3. In Hindi we will write the number 3 like this. Okay, for number 3 in Hindi we'll say तीन. 4. In Hindi we will write the number 4 like this, and in Hindi we'll say it चार. Next, 5. In Hindi numeracy 5 will write like this, and in Hindi we'll say it as पाँच. What we will say? पाँच. Next, 6. In Hindi we'll write like this, 6 means 6 like this, and we'll pronounce it like che. What we will pronounce for 6? Che. Next, number 7. In Hindi we'll write the number 7 like this, and we'll say and pronounce like सात. What we will pronounce in Hindi for number 7? सात. And 8. In Hindi numeracy 8 will write like this, and will pronounce like आठ. What we will pronounce for 8? आठ. 9. In Hindi numeracy 9 will be written like this, and Hindi when we pronounce or will write like this, now. What we will write or pronounce? Now. Next, 10. In Hindi we'll write like this, 10, and we'll say दस. What we will say? दस. Okay, once again we'll see from first. See, एक, एक, दो, दो, तीन, तीन, चार, चार, पाँच, पाँच, छः, छः, सात, सात, आठ, आठ, नौ, नौ, दस, 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 दस. फिर एक बार हम पढ़ लेंगे, ठीक है. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, दस. फ्रॉम 1 to 10 means from 1 to 10 तुम तो सीख लिया है ना. अभी हम तो 11 से 20 तक पढ़ लेंगे, ठीक है. 11. In Hindi the number 11 will be written like this, and will pronounce like 11. What we will pronounce? 11. And 12, when we write in Hindi we'll write like this, 12, 12. 13. In Hindi it is written like this, 13. 14. In Hindi the 14 will be written like this, and it is written like this, and in Hindi we'll say 14. 15. See, 15 in Hindi will be written like this, and it is in Hindi we'll say it 15. 16. In 16 in Hindi will be written like this, and it is called as 16. 17. 17 in Hindi will write like this, and it is called as 17. 18 in Hindi will write like this, it is 18. 19 in Hindi will write like this, 19, and it is called as 19. 20 in Hindi will write like this, and it is 20. What is this? 20. Okay, now once again we'll see. 11 11 12 12 13 13 14 14 15 15 16 16 17 17 17 18 18 19 19 20 20. देखो एक बार हम तो 1 से 20 तक पढ़ लेंगे, ठीक है। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20.